People, what's going on? Gonna give us way. Cheers, mate. Oh, sugar. My electric charging cap is open. Did I unplug it or did I just drive off with the fucking thing hanging out? I have to check one sec. Motherfucking water, say where the fuck you are, bro. Guess where we're going today? Well, we ain't joining the army. We got an Airsoft. Been once, got shagged, ripped, shot, bruised. We're going to do all over again. I'm gonna go meet a mate. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna go meet a mate, get a bite, and then make our way there. We are gonna be super early because we're like geeks. Oh yeah, let me go and check this petrol cap. It's not petrol, brother, it's electric. Let's go. But yeah, I'm sure those guys that I played against last time, they must have been like ex-army, ex-navy, ex-CIA, MI5, because those motherfuckers, they knew how to play, bro. They weren't just shooting for the sake of shooting. Yeah, they were squadded up. Yeah, they had a lot of fun, but it was a great deal of fun, don't get me wrong, but yeah, it was painful. It was painful fun. You know? But here we go, all over again. It is now 0651. So that means 9 minutes to 7. Got plenty of time, no rush. It's gonna be super hot, 32 degrees today. So I'm not looking forward to that. Probably not gonna be able to wear this hoodie. Which means this is the only camo I've got. Which means we're gonna stand out like a sore thumb because everything else I got is like fucking fluorescent. Especially when you're in a woodland, you stick out like a sore thumb, you're like a walking target. So, we're gonna get shot. But I'll catch you guys when we get to something to eat. Here he is. Yo.
Yo, hey.
I'm on my way. 7 minutes.
Alright, I'll see you.
Alright, see you in a bit. Bye. Relax, cuz we're coming, bro. Bro, this is one dingy little McDonald's, you know. What's going on? What's good? Good, bro. What, you forgot or? Oh. Got my melon. An Americano start the day. Let's go. If these glasses were safe to wear, I would have worn them.
There was someone there last week.
Supposedly he's changed the lens to ballistic ones, but I think it was trying to shoot.
He was probably just saying that just so you can wear it.
Yeah.
What an idiot though. It goes through your glasses into your eye, like, so dumb.
He was sniping, innit? So I think he was thinking I ain't gonna get shot type thing, but still.
Not worth the risk. It just takes one BB, bro, to go straight into your eye. And this time we're gonna be a bit more aggressive with the play style. Last time was too passive. Yeah, I want to get more action involved, so it's gonna be fun. I've got the Meta glasses, but I ain't gonna use them really. I'll be honest, because I don't want to get shot through the lens in the eye and lose an eye in the process just to record content. But yeah, we're going to Airsoft Plantation or some shit. I think that's what it's called. I've been there before. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Let's go. Here we go, we've arrived. Airsoft Plantation. The guy directed me, he said go straight down. I was like, where else am I gonna go, bro? Morning, bud. Morning, guys.
What are you at?
Good, man.
If you want to go, you see where this like white oak tree is?
Yeah.
If you go
Can
straight
I
there.
park up with him? I'm with him.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Where did you tell him to go?
I didn't say I said morning.
Oh. Joe, tell him where to park and this one's going to follow. And then this one.
Cheers, guys.
Imagine last time, yeah, I jumped in the back seat to get changed, innit?
Yeah.
That's child locks on.
You don't worry, you're not in the frame. Where? Down there? Yeah, go on. You want to be in the middle, or should we go towards the back, cuz? Yeah. Grab a couple chairs as well. Let's see this bad boy. How you going, mate? You alright? Where's he gone? Let's go and have a little look around. It's a little shop.
Beautiful, much appreciated. Worth letting them know, because the changeover, they can't have the stock all the way in, so you have that gap for the wires to come out. So I've just had to remove the...
Got everything, cuz. Probably need to get some BBs. They got hats. Where's the hats?
Yeah.
They do.
Obviously that'll be the main raffle prize, but I think it'll be the last chance to get hold of it.
I've got a big head, cuz I need a big head
No, I
one.
will Like if I'm not playing, I'll pop down and
Cheers, thank you. Yeah, these are these
Size XL.
virtually every variety you can imagine of them are available, but it's the H.
Grab one of these.
Cool, thank you very much.
Elliot, me and you're not friends anymore.
Keeping it light.
Doesn't see it.
That's about it. It's a chill out area. Oh yeah, I've got to pay for this shit.
No, he's done one. Yeah, he's
Oh mate, sorry, I just walked out with that. Can I pay by bank transfer? Same details. Hit! Yeah, look, can you see his head? I can see his head. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it.
One hit me in the collarbone.
behind you.
It's behind.
One straight behind him as well. 12 o'clock. It's right behind that bush. 12 o'clock. What window are we looking at? Straight ahead?
I think he just got hit and come out.
Okay.
But he was in the window with the scrim net hanging off it.
Yeah?
Yeah, there was a guy in there, but I think he just got hit and come out.
Right. Got to make a move. Behind the hut, in the bushes.
Come on, dude. Mate, come on. Yeah, there's one in the woods.
Is the Range Rover this way? Or Land Rover?
Yeah, to your right.
Yeah.
Check that book to your right, make sure there's nothing there.
Yeah, done.
Game on. kuşun içindeki mavi mavi. Mavi.
Ödan abi vuruyor mu? Geliyorlar yavaş yavaş.
Geliyorlar, geliyorlar. Nice, nice, nice. Watch the left, watch the left. Geliyorlar. Can you see your left? Can you see your left?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, cool. Watch it! Yeah, brother. Yeah, no, all good, all good, all clear. Boy, the 10 of them came running around. 10 of them came, but they're all gone back now. Woo! You got hit? Where are they? On the left? Yeah. Watch out, apparently they're coming down this way. Oh, hit! Nice. Fuck, you know, that was a nice shot. Yeah, red, straight down on the right. Straight down on the right.
Can I run across?
Yeah, you can now.
Jamie, can I run across?
Yeah, go, go, go.
Where's it, left side?
Yeah, left side, in the first hut, down the left.
You got eyes there?
Yeah, they're on the left, on the first hut, on their side. No, can't see. I just saw a little bit of movement.
Left or right?
On the right hand side of the bush, they're pushing over to the left. We got fucked up. We got fucked up. That was good. Well, that's a wrap. Fucking hell, it's tiring. Great fun though, great fun. Died a bunch of times, killed like 2 people. That's what you pay for, just to get shot. But hey, great fun. And that's the end on this one. I hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you on the next one. Peace.